This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying requirements. Update the messenger and confirm the recipient also supports end-to-end encryption. Once done, sign into your account and confirm the contact's identity using profile fingerprints or code verification so you avoid imposters. Next, enable the encryption feature in settings and create or confirm a secure passphrase. Make sure it's unique and stored safely. These first steps establish trust anchors and protect your key material before you generate or exchange encryption keys with contacts. Now generate or import your key pair inside the messenger. If generating, allow the app to create a strong asymmetric key. If importing, verify its integrity. Once you have a public key, share it via the app's secure code verification or scan a QR code together. This prevents man-in-the-middle attacks. Store your private key on device only or in an encrypted backup tied to your passphrase. Make sure automatic key rotation settings and metadata permissions align with your security preferences before continuing. Finish by initiating a secure session and confirming the app shows an active end-to-end encryption indicator before exchanging sensitive messages. Once the session works, enable periodic key rotation and revoke keys if a device is lost. If you encounter problems, re-verify verification codes with your contact, check clock sync on both devices, and restore your private key from an encrypted backup if needed. That single troubleshooting tip, always re-verify codes, resolves most handshake or impersonation errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.